Today I'll be teaching you about how to do if statements, else if statements, and else statements. What you're going to need is a hashtag include iomanip. This is the header file that will let you use if statements, else if statements, and else statements. So first what you're going to do is make a variable called double, and then just type cout, please enter a number, and then C in that number. What an if statement looks like is if, space, parentheses, let's say number equals 2. You're going to want two equal signs here because this is saying if the number assigned, the variable called number here is 2, then it will execute the statement below. But if you only use 1, then it will say the number is equal to and assign 2 to number. So what you're going to do is squiggly braces, cout, the number is 2. Okay. So let's debug it right here. Okay, please enter a number. We will say 2. The number is 2. But let's say you go to debug it, and then instead of 2, you enter 3. It just says press any key to continue. How to fix that is you're going to want to do an else statement. So this is just going to be else, and then the squiggly braces, cout, the number isn't 2. Okay, so now when we debug it again, please enter a number. We were going to say 3. The number isn't 2. How the else statement works, it says the C++ code goes from top to bottom, line by line. So it's going to be cout, please enter a number. Then it's going to input the number. Then it's going to say if the value assigned to number is equal to 2, it's going to execute this right here. Else, which is let's say after your else is at the end of all of your if statements. So it's going to say if none of these are true, it's just going to be else the number isn't 2. But let's say you want to say also the number could be 3. Then you're going to do else if, okay, so else if, and then number equals 3. Now you're going to say cout, the number is equal to 3. Okay, the number is equal to 3. And then we can just change this down here to 2 or 3. So when we debug it, we're going to enter in the 3. The number is 3. Press any key to continue. When we type in 4, the number isn't 2 or 3. So this is how if, else ifs, and else statements are used. They are widely used through C++ and are very handy. So there you go.